Oh my gosh, look at this sunset, guys. It's so amazing. Oh wow, Liberia is so beautiful, guys. Oh my god. Woo! Wow, wow.
Here we go, making really getting icy zone, flexing.
Look at this sunset. Woo! So amazing, guys. So beautiful. Oh God. Oh wow. Sometimes, guys, we just have to sit back and appreciate the wonder of God. We just have to sit back and appreciate our universe. Even though we have a lot of busy schedule and everything, like everyone is busy, but sometimes you just have to sit back and watch creation. Look at this. A lot of people now, they are passing on the road. They are not paying attention to this. But it's such a lovely view. Such a marvelous view, guys. Fantastic. So all of my subscribers, all those who watch my videos, all my viewers, just take up on your time once in a while and watch creation. Just look around you and see the beauty of the earth of the world. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Ooh, just like a painting. So lovely. So lovely. So lovely. Yeah, that's what we do. Showcase of Liberia. Cars are passing. It's in the evening here. Oh my god, it's going down. It's going down. It's going down. The sun is going down. Wow. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you guys so much. Now it's like erasing. Have a good night to my people in Liberia, and good morning to my other subscribers that the sun is not going towards your side. Love you all. Love you all. Love you all. Alright. Bye guys.